Today I'm trying crawfish egg rolls from Hungry Bites in Baton Rouge. And they look so good. Oh my goodness. Let me show y'all. Oh. Oh, baby. Mmm. 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 A tad bit spicy, but it's good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah, baby, these got me busting. Mm. Mhm. Mmm. Long. Mm. Oh yeah, y'all, I ate with these. Mmm. Mmm. Mhm. Mhm. Got me busting, y'all. I'm not even exaggerating. This is good. Compared to what I had earlier today, y'all, this is delicious. This broke my scale. And I'm going to finish it off with this big thing of Dasani, because that made me so thirsty. Excuse me. I'm full.